Hi guys, in the data converting process, I generated a CSV file and named it product CSV as you see because the Excel will remove the leading zeros from the numeric fields like SKU or code. I put another character at the beginning of the code to prevent this data conversion. So first of all, I want to save this CSV as a Excel file. So I choose this one and hit save, and the uh, table changed. And then I'm gonna insert a blank column here and here with the fh function, and using with the replace, I gonna replace this field starting from position 1 for one character with a null string means two quotations. As you see here, the first character is removed as a result. So here is the result. And by double clicking on this, as you see, all of the other columns affected with the same formula. So at this point, I'm gonna Control C, make a copy of this column and come to this column, and via the paste option from the top, I choose value. So all of this value pasted here, and I'm gonna click on the top of empty column and delete. As you see, this column changed. All leading zero is at the beginning of the field, and for other fields which have no zero, the value is the same, and that's what exactly I'm looking for. So the green corner top shows this is not a numeric field and you cannot uh, do any um, multiple or numeric functions on it. That's okay for me. So I'm gonna rearrange the other columns. Here is my other columns. I changed it, and this one is a memo field with a paragraph of uh, explanation or comments. I choose this column and hit the word wrap text. Here, as you see, all appeared, and the sheet lines resize, and the values save exactly as zero leading for the SKU field. So I'm gonna save it, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please follow me for the next video. Thank you.